What if I told you that you could make your home virtually invincible? That's where Tamazon has 29 lethal home defense gadgets that could protect your family, your property, and give you peace of mind. Whether you're looking for high-tech, security systems, or unique weapons for self-defense, today's video is packed with must-have tools that can keep you safe in any situation. These gadgets aren't just for the paranoid. They're practical, effective, and ready to help you. Take control of your home security. Let's jump right into it. Mayor's Road Blocker. Let's start with something that stops criminals in their tracks. The Mayor's Road Blocker is a game-changing security device designed to neutralize any vehicle that gets too close. This system is incredibly discreet, stays flat against the ground when not in use, blending into its surroundings. With the push of a button, steel spikes deploy in just 1 to 3 seconds, blocking the road completely. You can activate it from up to 330 feet away, and it works in any weather, from freezing cold to scorching heat. Whether you're protecting your driveway or a high-risk area, this road blocker provides fast, effective protection against dangerous threats. High-res fire escape system. Emergencies can strike at any moment, and if you live in a tall building, a high-rise fire escape system is an absolute must. This clever gadget allows you to safely lower people from heights of up to 100 floors. The self-contained device adjusts to the person's weight, ensuring a smooth descent at a controlled speed. Whether you're trying to escape a fire, earthquake, or any other emergency, this system will keep you safe. It's fire retardant, works in wet conditions, and even has a harness for people with disabilities, making it perfect for any high-rise building portable full-body ballistic shield. In the unfortunate event of an active shooter situation, you need to be prepared. The portable full-body ballistic shield is a life-saving tool that provides 2,000 square inches of protection for your vital organs. Made from Kevlar, it's capable of withstanding handgun rounds like .357 Magnum, 9mm, and .44 Magnum. It's easy to deploy, reassembling in under a minute, and it's equipped with 3 grab handles and a foothold for stability. Whether you're taking cover or moving to safety, this shield ensures you stay protected while you escape or await help. Night Guard, safe. If you keep a firearm near your bed, security is everything. The Night Guard is a discreet bedside safe designed to provide quick access to your handgun while keeping it secure. Made from heavy-gauge steel, it offers 18 pounds of protection and fits most full-sized handguns. It features a digital clock display that blends seamlessly with your bedroom decor, so it doesn't look out of place. With pre-drilled holes for mounting and a security cable, you can ensure your firearm is safe but still within reach when needed. It's a practical and secure solution for home defense. Salt gun. Not all defense tools need to be lethal to be effective. The salt gun offers a non-lethal yet powerful defense mechanism, shooting rounds filled with capsaicin, the active ingredient in hot peppers. When fired at an intruder, the gun creates a burning sensation and causes disorientation, giving you the upper hand in a confrontation. The salt gun shoots at speeds of up to 350 feet per second and has a range of 150 feet, far surpassing traditional pepper spray or tasers. Its ease of use and non-lethal nature make it a great choice for home defense without the permanent damage of a firearm. Aid-Lock portable door lock. If you're staying in a hotel or need extra security at home, the Aid-Lock portable door lock is an amazing tool. This simple device allows you to secure your door by inserting it into the lock, preventing anyone from entering even if they have a key. It's easy to use and TSA approved, making it perfect for travelers. At just $18, this affordable gadget provides an extra layer of security for your peace of mind, whether you're at home or on the road. Pepper Blaster 2 by Kimber. For self-defense. The Pepper Blaster 2 is a compact pepper spray launcher that shoots an OC oleoresin capsicum mixture at speeds of 90 miles per hour. It delivers a powerful burst that can disable an attacker at up to 13 feet away. The 2 shots it fires make it a highly effective defense tool, and its compact design makes it easy to carry in a purse or pocket. Priced at just $39.95. This is a practical, affordable, and highly effective way to protect yourself. Fancy Fence. The Fancy Fence is a unique and high-tech security barrier that blends seamlessly into your property. This vertical lifting and lowering gate acts as both a fence and an access gate, providing strong protection when raised and easy entry when lowered. The system is designed to withstand harsh weather and even power outages, working with a battery that allows it to operate 5 to 10 times without a recharge. It's ideal for properties with limited space, but still offers excellent security. Intruder Buster. For a covert security measure, the Intruder Buster is a hidden defense tool that can be installed between buildings or in hedges. Activated by a tripline, it releases a cloud of pepper spray combined with a loud siren, creating chaos and disorienting intruders. The siren draws attention, making it easier for authorities to intervene or for intruders to flee. This simple but effective security system provides a discreet layer of protection without drawing unwanted attention. Tactical Walls, hidden gun-safe mirror. Looking for discreet firearm storage? The Tactical Walls hidden gun-safe mirror allows you to hide your weapons in plain sight. This full-length mirror opens to reveal a hidden compartment that can store guns, valuables, or anything else you want to keep secure. The magnetic lock makes it easy to access, and the best part, it blends perfectly with your home decor. Installation. It's simple, requiring only a hole in the wall. And once it's in place, you'll have easy access to your firearms whenever you need them. Zombie-proof home. For those who want ultimate protection, the Zombie-Proof Home by KWK Prom takes home defense to a whole new level. This fortress-like home features impenetrable concrete walls, bulletproof doors, and a retractable drawbridge to keep threats out. Shutters can extend up to 11 feet for additional security, and the entire system can be sealed off in case of an emergency. It's designed to withstand any apocalypse, including the zombie variety. While this home may be a little extreme, it's a great example of the lengths you can go to fortify your property. Haven Connect Lock. The Haven Connect Lock offers superior security for your door 10 times stronger than a regular deadbolt. It's designed by U.S. Special Ops veterans and works by reinforcing the door using a locking wedge that uses the intruder's own force against them. It's controlled through an app and allows you to send digital keys to visitors while tracking movements and receiving alerts for forced entries. With Department of Defense level encryption, this lock is a high-tech solution for anyone who wants to take home security to the next level. Hidden Air Vent Safe. Did you know that burglars only take 9 minutes to break into a home? They often target easy spots like nightstands or closets, but they rarely think to check your air vents. The Hidden Air Vent Safe looks just like a regular air return grill, but it's actually a secure safe. It unlocks with an RFID card, providing a discreet and secure place to store your valuables. It's easy to install and perfect for keeping your things safe without anyone knowing. Door Armor Max. If you're worried about your doors being a weak point in your security, the Door Armor Max is a great solution. This heavy-duty reinforcement kit is designed to protect your door from kicks, forceful impacts, and even break-ins. The system strengthens the frame, hinges, and lock areas, making it nearly impossible to break through. With easy installation and affordable pricing, the Door Armor Max makes your door much more secure, so you can feel safe knowing that it's tougher than ever. The Bed Bunker. Want an extra layer of protection while you sleep? The Bed Bunker is a secure vault built into your bed. It's a hidden storage system that allows you to store valuables, firearms, or emergency supplies under your mattress. In the event of a break-in or emergency, you have quick access to your most important items. The steel construction and locking mechanism ensure that everything stays safe while you get some rest, making it perfect for peace of mind during the night. Remote-controlled sentry gun. The remote-controlled sentry gun is a high-tech security device designed to defend your property with a camera and motion sensors. It can detect intruders and automatically aim and fire rubber bullets at them to deter them from entering. You can control it from a distance, giving you real-time control over your security system. Although it's non-lethal, it's an excellent way to stop intruders in their tracks, making it a unique addition to your home defense arsenal. Smart doorbell with facial recognition. Say goodbye to traditional doorbells with smart doorbells that have facial recognition technology. These doorbells can identify visitors, store their information, and alert you when someone arrives at your door. You can even interact with them remotely, thanks to video and audio capabilities. Whether you're at home or away, you'll always know who's at the door before you even open it. This tech-savvy gadget adds another layer of convenience and security to your home, helping you keep track of visitors and prevent unwanted guests. Barbed wire fence. For added security around your property, a barbed wire fence is a classic yet highly effective solution. This barrier is designed to keep intruders from climbing over your fence and accessing your home. It's a simple, low-cost, and highly effective option for those who need to secure large properties, especially in rural areas where traditional security systems might not be practical. It's easy to install and can be paired with an existing fence to increase security and act as a deterrent. Security camera system with AI. For anyone serious about home security, a camera system with AI is an incredible investment. These cameras not only record high-quality footage, but also use artificial intelligence to recognize faces, detect movements, and alert you to potential threats. Some systems even allow you to connect to the cameras remotely via an app, so you can monitor your home in real time even while you're away. With night vision, motion detection, and cloud storage, these cameras give you a robust and hands-off way to keep an eye on your property. Laser security system. If you want a silent alarm that doesn't attract attention, the laser security system is perfect for you. This system uses laser beams to create an invisible fence around your property. If an intruder crosses the beam, it triggers an alarm or sends a notification to your phone. It's an undetectable system, perfect for securing windows, doors, or other entry points. It's easy to install and can be adjusted to fit any size area. If you're looking for stealthy protection, this gadget is a great choice. Smart lock with biometric access. Forget traditional key smart locks with biometric access are the future of home security. These locks allow you to unlock your door using your fingerprint or face scan, so you don't need to worry about lost keys or unauthorized access. They can be connected to your smartphone or home automation system, giving you full control over who enters your home. With features like remote unlocking and activity logs, you can track who enters and exits your home at all times. Motion-activated floodlights. A well-lit property is one of the best deterrents to intruders, and motion-activated floodlights are an easy way to keep your home bright and secure. These lights will automatically turn on when someone enters your yard, alerting you to their presence and making it harder for them to hide. They can be installed near entrances, driveways, or blind spots around your property, ensuring that every corner is well lit. Not only do these lights help you see at night, but they also give would-be intruders a clear message that you're watching. Anti-theft backpack. When you're out and about, your personal security is just as important as your home security. The anti-theft backpack is designed with hidden zippers, touch-resistant straps, and RFID blocking technology to keep your belongings safe from pickpockets and thieves. Whether you're traveling, walking around a busy city, or just commuting, this backpack gives you peace of mind knowing that your valuables are secure and protected. It's practical, stylish, and a smart choice for anyone on the go. personal safety alarm. If you ever find yourself in a dangerous situation, a personal safety alarm can be a lifesaver. These small devices emit an extremely loud noise when activated, attracting attention and potentially scaring off an attacker. They are easy to carry in your bag, on a keychain, or clipped to your belt, so you always have them handy. Many personal alarms also come with a strobe light to further increase visibility. It's an affordable, simple, and effective way to protect yourself when you're out and about. K9 Unit Robot. For the ultimate home defense system, the K9 Unit Robot is the future. This robot can patrol your property, detect intruders, and even record and stream footage directly to your phone. Equipped with motion sensors, cameras, and two-way audio, it can alert you of any suspicious activity and even engage with the intruder using a speaker. While it might be more of fireproof safe, when it comes to securing your valuables, a fireproof safe is a must-have. Whether it's for important documents, jewelry, or even firearms, this safe will ensure that your items are protected from both fire and theft. Made from heavy-duty steel, it can withstand extreme temperatures while keeping your belongings intact. With digital locks and keypad access, you can easily store your valuable items with peace of mind. It's a reliable and affordable way to protect your personal treasures from a disaster. Security film for windows. Windows are one of the most vulnerable parts of a home when it comes to break-ins, but security film can make your windows far more resistant to shattering. This clear film is easy to apply to your existing windows and will prevent them from breaking easily under force. In case of a smash-and-grab situation, the film makes it much harder for intruders to gain access, giving you time to react and either escape or alert the authorities. It's an invisible layer of protection that's quick to install and very effective. Ring Alarm System. For a comprehensive home security system, Ring Alarm is an affordable and easy-to-use option. It comes with motion sensors, contact sensors for doors and windows, and a base station that connects to your phone. You can set up 24/7 monitoring, or you can simply use it as a self-monitored system to get real-time alerts when something triggers the sensors. It works seamlessly with Ring cameras and even integrates with Alexa. It's user-friendly and allows you to keep an eye on your home from anywhere in the world. Smart Door Lock. Last on the list is the Smart Door Lock, a must-have for modern home security. This lock allows you to lock and unlock your door remotely using your smartphone, or set up temporary access codes for guests, family members, or workers. You can even set it to automatically lock behind you as you leave, ensuring you never forget to secure your door. It's a great option if you want to ditch traditional keys while still keeping your home safe. The best part? You can monitor activity and receive alerts every time someone enters your home. If you're looking to upgrade your home defense or just want to ensure you're prepared for anything, these gadgets are worth checking out. Which of these tools do you think would best protect your home? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let me know if there's a gadget I missed that you think deserves to be on this list. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on more security tips and gear reviews. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.